0FXB, the new Ailunce H1 DMR analog APRS GPS radio. Let's very quickly do some APRS analog style. First thing, get your radio into VFO mode by holding down and pressing this button here. Of course, we're in the UK, so we hold it down, memory mode. You can scroll through channels, but if you hold it, VFO, then type in 144,800. Okay, now we're going to go into menu and go down until we see APRS. There it is there. APRS. APRS modem number 1. Green button. And look, it was off, but just go down to analog and then green. And you've turned it on. Let's go back. Analog APRS set. Enter. PTT report I've put on. It means that when you push the PTT, it will transmit the APRS signal. Back. Number 2, my call sign. Press again. Number 1, M0FXB. You've got 4 keypad here, and to go between numbers and letters, you've got 1, 2, 3 here. Just press the hash. And then you just use it like a phone and then confirm. SSID. Select. We chose number 5. Go back. And back again. Comment. Select. Again, like a phone. You've got capitals here. M0FXB Hamtech. Confirm. Digipath, I chose wide 1 and wide 2. That's it, select. And go back. My symbol, and on the PC it was showing me what my symbol would be, but that is a house, okay? Go back. TX frequency, well, we've already set that, but we could, on the selected channel, there you are, but you can actually preset one. And I think that's about it. Let me go back. So we're on there. We're still on dual receive, look. Now, if you've not used an FT5, to set the APRS, you hold down the F menu and you tap APRS, and it's exactly the same kind of settings, really, that I've just showed you. I have made a video on setting up my FT5, but you know, you turn on the modem, you tell it how you want the position to be, whether it's manual, which means you put in the location, or using GPS. You set your call sign and your SSID and a lot more if you want to do DigiPeter and all that. And then see the way my GPS is flashing, it's because it hasn't got a lock. Although if you look here at the new radio, it has got a lock. What's this? Menu, go down to GPS. Sorry about this. Am I going straight past it? Position, select. To turn it on, there you are, on and off. Info, GPS info, number 3. And there's my position. So the Ailunce is actually doing better than the FT5. I've always thought the FT5 struggled to get a good GPS lock, which is a shame because it's such a modern and not a low-cost radio. Anyway, to turn on the modem, it says A12 here. So now let's just TX. So on this one we go F beacon TX, and it will come here. The reason it didn't show then is because we've already received it. So you go menu, go to APRS, select, go to list, down to list. Where is it? We'll find it. Did I go straight past it? We are going to find it. I saw it just now. There's it. Analog APRS list. Info, you can select. Is that all it's going to show? Oh, not showing much, is it? Go back. And back. We're going to go to delete all. Confirm. Now, last time I did this, it showed the position. We'll go F. There you go. So if we scroll down, it's actually showing in my manual position that I typed in because it didn't have a lock earlier. So now let's see if it's in there now anyway. Down to APRS, down to analog list. Do I keep going past that? There it is there. List. yeah, see that could be a bug because it's not showing the details, is it? Let's delete it anyway. And then we'll quickly transmit again. And then we'll just go down and see what it shows. Path 1, path 2. It did show Hamtech earlier. Can't see that it's showing it now. But it does show M0FXB-5. Let's just go the other way a minute because I haven't tested that. So we're going to key up. You could hear it, couldn't you? So let's go like so, station list, and then select. And then we'll move. House is what I selected. Hamtech. And it's M0FXB5. If we clear the list, F menu. Let me just clear the list a minute. Can't seem to find it. But anyway, I think this is enough. This is not using the software. I'll just quickly read the radio and just show you what I've got in the software. So in the software, if we go down to APRS just here, and click it once, and then you get to Analogue APRS just there. This is what we've got. Let's move me out of the way. Where are you going to go? Like so. And I can show you. So call sign -5, there's the symbol. Wide 1, wide 2, and that's it really. Selected channel is here. That's all I've put. So it's quite good software, isn't it? But anyway, more videos on the software. Read, write, and then you can even do firmware here. Look, just click firmware and you can do firmware. And channels, channel information, put in your channels. And I haven't even created a, or have I? Oh, let's see there, it's got the APRS. So I could just add a channel now. Call it APRS. Or S, and I'll put an A in there just so it's analog. And go 144.800. Of course, analog, power, and I think that's all we need really. Yeah, then you just send that to the radio. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.